In this deep dive, we unravel the mysteries of generative AI, unearthing its profound impact on an array of spheres, fundamentally altering our lives as we know it. This journey is not exclusive to the tech-savvy or the digitally inclined. It is open to all. Whether you're an entrepreneur running a small-scale venture, a creative genius looking to redefine art in the digital age, or simply an inquisitive soul driven by the unending thirst to understand the rapid technological evolution, this guide caters to you. It meticulously decodes this revolutionary technology and its massive potential. Generative AI, a subset of artificial intelligence, is constantly evolving, and its implications are far-reaching. From creating realistic content to simulating human-like behavior, it is an amalgamation of machine learning and human creativity. The insights you gain from this guide will empower you to navigate the AI landscape confidently. Harnessing the power of generative AI in 2024 and beyond, this guide is your golden ticket. The awakening of generative AI. From the realms of intricate calculations to the astonishing capability of learning, thinking, and conversing, we plunge deep into the world of artificial intelligence. Embarking on this journey, we encounter the fascinating world of generative AI, an advanced form of AI powered by complex algorithms and vast data sets. It's not just about performing calculations anymore. We are witnessing an era of transformation where AI has moved beyond its traditional boundaries, evolving from simple computation to more sophisticated functions like learning and communication. This evolution is enabled by the amalgamation of neural networks and machine learning techniques, driving its unparalleled ability. It's this elevation in AI technology that allows it to generate human-like text, create realistic images, and even compose music. It is the profound blend of technology and creativity, making AI more human-like than ever before. As we venture further, we find generative AI's capabilities are not just restricted to mimicking human intelligence. They are also deployed in solving complex real-world problems, predicting future trends, and driving innovation across industries. In sectors like healthcare, finance, entertainment, and more, generative AI is a game-changer, paving the way for a future where humans and machines can collaborate more closely than ever before. So join us as we explore how generative AI has transcended the traditional boundaries of computing. How does generative AI work? Today we're taking you on a journey into the intricate world of artificial intelligence. We're going to delve deeply into the mechanisms of what is known as generative AI. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is generative AI? Generative AI is a subsection of artificial intelligence that deals with the creation of content, an incredible feat that seems like magic. The backbone of this process is what we call neural networks. Neural networks are complex algorithms designed to mimic the human brain's own processes, interpreting and generating new content from input data. Let's imagine this for a moment. Words, those simple symbols we use to communicate, are taken by these networks, processed, and transformed into actions. This could be anything from a command to a robot to the creation of a whole new piece of content. This is not just any content. This is content created from what seems like thin air. Content that is completely unique and tailored, created by this sophisticated piece of technology. The process is absolutely fascinating, combining the power of computing with the creativity of human intelligence. How does all this work? How does an algorithm learn to create? These are the questions we will attempt to answer in this explorative journey. So get ready to dive into the mysterious and captivating world of generative AI. A closer look into the neural networks and the fascinating process of transforming words into actions or creating content out of thin air. The Generative AI Toolbox. Dive into the myriad capabilities of generative AI, from text generation, image creation, speech conversion, to bringing your imagination to life through videos. It's an arsenal of technological wonders that engineers, artists, creators, and innovators can harness to create groundbreaking work. Imagine the ability to generate written content that mirrors human thought patterns, with AI closely mimicking the nuances of human language and style. This isn't merely about saving time, it's about creating content that is indistinguishable from that crafted by human intellect. Or picture the potential of image creation. With generative AI, you can design visuals that are as realistic as a photograph or as abstract as a Picasso. The AI analyzes patterns, incorporates textures, and even adds the right light and shadow to bring your design to life. Then there's speech conversion. Generative AI can transform text into speech with a level of emotion and intonation that replicates human speech. Beyond just turning text into audio, this technology has the potential to create personalized voice assistants or even dub foreign films seamlessly. But perhaps the most magical aspect of generative AI is its capacity to bring your imagination to life through videos. This is the space where dreams become reality, where concepts and ideas are given form and motion. You can create your own animated movies, design ads, or even generate simulations for various industries, all with stunning realism. The Generative AI Toolbox. Dive into the myriad capabilities of generative AI, from text generation, image creation, speech conversion, to bringing your imagination to life through videos. Explore the power, the potential, and the magic of generative AI. Generative AI in our lives. Discover how generative AI from tools like GPT has seamlessly integrated into our personal and professional spheres. It is a technology that has evolved rapidly, almost overnight, and has revolutionized the manner in which we interact with devices every day. Think about it: the social media posts you read, the digital content you consume, even the email suggestions you come up with, they're all touched by the magic of generative AI. A form of machine learning, generative AI uses both creativity and critical thinking to design and deliver a personalized experience to each user. It learns about you, your preferences, your habits, and uses this knowledge to facilitate your life both personally and professionally. From simplifying scheduling to personalizing emails, this AI is there, working in the background, often unnoticed but always invaluable. Now, what makes generative AI particularly exciting is its potential. We're just scratching the surface of what it can achieve. With the right data and computing power, it could transform industries, streamline operations, and create a world where technology is truly personalized. In essence, we are living in the age of AI, but not just any AI, a generative AI. It's an AI that doesn't just follow instructions, it thinks, it learns, and it adapts. It's not just a tool, it's a partner. A partner that's present in our lives, helping us navigate the complexities of the modern world. So take a moment to appreciate the silent revolution that's happening right under our noses. A revolution propelled by generative AI becoming an indispensable companion. Embracing generative AI, dispel the myths, conquer the fear, and step into the realm of endless possibilities with generative AI. In this rapidly evolving digital world, the concept of generative AI has paved its way as a remarkable innovation, leaving its significant mark. Often shrouded in myths and misconceptions, it's time to dispel these, to understand and appreciate its true potential. Armed with the power of learning and adapting, generative AI can create content that is surprisingly human-like. It's like opening a Pandora's box of endless opportunities, where the border between human creativity and machine intelligence is blurred. It's not about fostering fear, but about conquering it. It's about understanding that this technology is not replacing us, but instead it's empowering us to achieve more. The essence lies in coexistence and collaboration. It's not a competition, but an alliance, a partnership that can foster unparalleled creativity and innovation. Generative AI encourages us to embrace a new approach, where humans and machines work together to create. The fear might seem daunting, but the rewards waiting on the other side are worth it. The solution is not to reject the new, but to adapt and evolve. As we learn to collaborate with this intelligent technology, we mark the beginning of a new era in innovation.